Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are seeing my channel, please like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon next to the subscribe. Strength of Material, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Statics of Particles, Solution for Problem, Class 14. If you want to see my previous classes, please click the I button on the top of the video and see the playlist of Strength of Material Unit 1 and subscribe my channel. 3 like parallel force. The sum is similar to the previous sum. So, the like parallel force means all the forces are traveled at the same direction. The forces are 50 Newton, F and 100 Newton. So, one of the force is not given. It is mentioned as F or acting as is shown in the figure. So, it was given in the figure was given in below. If the resultant R equal to 250 Newton, in this sum the resultant was given and the distance of the resultant is 4 meter from A. So, the distance also given. Find magnitude of the force F and distance of F from A. We have to find the magnitude of force and distance of the force F from the A. Now, see the diagram. The line A, B, C, D in this straight line. In the point A, that is 50 Newton. In the point B, F force is acted, and the point C resultant is acted 250 Newton, and the point D 100 Newton force is acted. The distance between A and C is 4 meter, the resultant, and C and D is 3 meter. We have to find the value of A, distance between the A and B. It was X, mentioned as X. So, given data, the force at A is 50 Newton and force at D is 100 Newton. The resultant is 250 Newton, and distance of AC is 4 meter and distance of CD is 3 meter as given in the diagram. We have to find magnitude of the force F equal to and distance of the force, distance of the F from A, force F from A. The solution, we know the formula for the resultant for the parallel force at the same direction. We have to add all the forces. So, R equal to 50 plus F plus 100. So, we know the value of resultant. I have to substitute that. So, 250 equal to 50 plus 100 is 150 plus F. Now, I am transferring the 150 from right to left, it become minus. So, 250 minus 150 equal to F. The value of F is 100 Newton. Now, we found the value of force F is 100 Newton, and we have to find the distance between the A to F. For that, we know we have to find the all moment of the forces given. So, that is the force 50 Newton about A is 0 momentum. So, it was acting at the same point. So, it has no moment. So, 0 distance is 0. So, 50 into 0 is 0 Newton meter, and the momentum of F is, we found 100 Newton, the force was 100 Newton about A, that is 100 into X, it becomes 100x Newton meter. It was anti-clockwise moment, and the force 100 Newton at the D about A is 100 into 7. The 7 comes from the distance between A and D. 4 plus 3 is what 7. So, 100 into 7 is 700 Newton meter. It is also a anti-clockwise moment. So, the algebraic sum of all moments is 0 plus 100x plus 700. So, 0 plus 100x plus 700, that is 100x plus 700 Newton meter. It is a anti-clockwise momentum, and we know the momentum of resultant, that is R into 4. The 4 is come from the distance of A and C. So, 4. So, 250 into 4, that is 1000 Newton meter. Now, we have to substitute the momentum of resultant equal to the sum of all moment. So, sum of all moments of force. So, 1000 equal to 100x plus 700. Now, I am transferring the 700 from right to left, it becomes negative. So, 100 minus 700 equal to 100x. So, the value is 300 equal to 100x. Now, I am transferring the 100 from right to left, it becomes divide. So, 300 divided by 100 equal to x. Now, we found the value of x, that is 3 meter. We have find all the values we have to find. Now, going to the result. So, the momentum of forces F equal to 100 Newton and the distance of the force from A is 3 meter. Guys, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, please comment on the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.